Today I'm going to show you how to take the reading comprehension portion of the reading inventory test. So go to your class link and log on. I'm logging on under one of my students, Linda, but you will use your login information. Then I want you to find the dog with the key that says Sam. And when that opens, go to the blue box on the left that says Reading Inventory. Next, go to the blue box on the right that says Reading Comprehension. First, click the picture of 3 kinds of books that you like to read, and then click Next to get started on taking the test. Remember, in this test, here I'll show you what it looks like.
For each item, you will read a passage. Then complete a sentence about what you read. Select the word that best completes the sentence by clicking on it with the mouse. When you're ready, you can move on to the next question by clicking on the next button with the mouse. If you would like to skip a question, click on the skip button. You are allowed to skip 3 questions.
So your job when you take this test is to first read the words on the left side, there's a couple sentences, and then try to figure out the answer to what's on the right side. So if this says, "What's the weather? Do you know? Splish, splish, splash in puddles. What's the weather? It's a rainy day." On the right-hand side it says, "It is outside." So based on what you just read, it is cold outside, it is wet outside, it is red outside, or it is long outside, and you choose your answer. This test is a little bit tricky, but we think that you can do it. Find a quiet place where you can concentrate and try to do it by yourself so that we can see how amazingly smart you are. Great job, first graders!